Hello everyone. Pointing out more ISS fakery is superfluous, as it is physically impossible to have a pressurized atmosphere adjacent to the alleged vacuum of space without a barrier. It is a violation of natural law, as the gas of the atmosphere would immediately expand into the alleged vacuum of space, killing everyone. Outer space is fantasy, no different than Santa Claus. And space fans cling to the illusion of space just as much as children cling to Santa Claus. Regardless, it's still a lot of fun to point out bubbles in space, astronauts pretending to be in space when they're obviously swimming in water, scuba divers in space, green screens for faking space, wire fells, multiple CGI errors, disappearing astronauts, satellites hanging by wires, toyish space models, and blatant contradictions by lying astronauts.
You can see the stars.
Oh yeah,
You know, and pretty much all the time you can see the stars.
Yeah. It's not a black void. I mean, it's black, but there's all kinds of little polka dots.
There's all the stars there, and the cool thing is about it, you can see it during the day.
The sunlight washes out all the starlight, so you can't see any stars, just like here on Earth.
The sky is a deep black when viewed from the moon, as it is when viewed from cislunar space, the space between the Earth and the moon.
In order to keep the scam going, NASA really wants you to believe in the space fantasy. And NASA gets $70 million a day to do just that. But I'm here today to share another outer space fail. Several weeks ago, I shared on my YouTube community page this video from Latter-day Saints. But the copy of the video was pretty poor and filled with lots of watermarks. I hate when people do that. Fortunately, yesterday, a kind follower of my channel emailed me a better link to the video. I pulled the video from this semi-official Twitter link. There are definitely some weird things going on in this video, but I just want to get to the most obvious problem. It's all fantasy, but the official story is that the S-13 radiator panel on the ISS was peeled back either from a micrometeorite or space debris. That phony drama isn't important. What is funny here is that the panel is flapping in the wind. There is simply no way that wind, or exhaust from a spacecraft, or anything else can cause that panel to flap back and forth in the wind like that when the ISS is supposedly in the vacuum of space. Like so many other mistakes, this simple error should end the outer space debate for any reasonable thinking person. My friends, your space Santa Claus isn't real. I know, it's hard. I admit I once believed in Santa Claus, and almost everyone watching this video were once believers too. But we're here to help, and the liberation is sweet. And if enough of us can open our eyes, then we just might be able to put an end to this most vile scam.